there, Slime guys, it's Gary Slime Time here, back with another slime review, and we're looking at Crazy Aaron Sparkle Thinking Putty Scaredy Cat. Scaredy Cat, it says. Oh, alright, so it looks like this is one of our Halloween ones here. Got a nice black cat there, got a nice sort of picture of the putty there, and on the back it says, creaking doors, howling winds, shadows over the moon. Everyone turns into a bit of a scaredy cat at this time of the year. Catch the spirit of the season with Scaredy Cat Thinking Putty. It shimmers and shines with purple and orange sparkles to create an absolutely bewitching effect. Oh, sounds pretty spooky. You're not too scared, are you, Barnabas? You're not? Are you sure? Alright, I believe you. That's alright. I know you can get a bit scared sometimes, so just let me know if you want to turn away for a bit. If you're okay, we can keep going. Alright, let's look at Crazy Aaron Sparkle Thinking Putty Scaredy Cat. So you can see, it looks very, very dark. But it's not black. It definitely is a dark purple there. And you can sort of see that if you pull it out a bit more. There we go, I'll pop that down. You can look after that if you don't get too scared, Barnabas. We'll put that there. So you can see, ooh, it's really fun to play with this one. It stretches out really well. And I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but if I get another light here, we might be able to see. Yeah, got a lot of sparkles there as well. So they only really sort of show up in the light. If you turn the light off, it just sort of looks quite dark and quite dull. But it does have those sparkles in it. Alright, let's have a play around with it and see how it handles. But first, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and you give me a like down the bottom because it helps other people find the page. Alright, you ready, Barnabas? You're not too scared? Alright, if you say so, let's get playing. So that is so much fun to play with. I had a lot of fun playing around with that one. Did you, Barnabas? I thought you did. I thought you did. Because it's so stretchy, this one. You can see just how much it stretches without breaking. It doesn't break off at all. It's a really, really stretchy one. The colour probably isn't one of my favourites, you know. It sort of strikes me as a little bit boring, not quite as exciting as some of the other colours that Crazy Aaron comes out with. But you know what? It's just so much fun to play. I don't think it's a very, very scary slime, like it says. You're not too scared, are you, Barnabas? You sure? Alright, if you say so. So it's not a very scary slime, but it's definitely fun to play with. So, here's the question, Barnabas. How many lobsters out of 5 do you think we should give it? 3 out of 5 lobsters? I think that's a good rating. Fantastic. Look how much fun I'm having. I can't even put it down for just a second. That's how much fun this one is to play with. So, that is Crazy Aaron Sparkle Thinking Putty Scaredy Cat. If you liked this video, please give me a subscription and give me a like down the bottom so you can keep up to date with all my slime and putty reviews from Barnabas and myself. But until next time, see you later, slime guys. This is Gary Slime Time, and I'll slime you later. Got anything to say, Barnabas? He says slime you later as well. Thanks, Barnabas. See you, everybody.